What you doing, Mama? Are you a pretty girl? Are these your babies? Is this the blue little boy? Oh. These are the girls. This is the girl. And the rest are boys. Pretty little girl. Look at these little rump cakes. Look at these little rump cakes. Look how short their legs are. Oh. Are you a pretty girl? Here's a pretty mama. Are you a Maya mama? Pretty Maya mama. That's it. There's the babies. If you guys would like information on adopting one of our babies, you can text me at 918-205-2078. Thank you.